starting 2 years, due to the COVID pandemic, we had online classes, as everyone has been facing. So I was feeling very much dejected that I couldn't physically touch the machines. Like being a mechanical engineer, the main reason that I took was I would be able to access those machines like lathe machines, drilling, all those things, because we had an engineering practices lab at that time, right, in the first and second years. And the major reason for choosing engineering was because I was like, from my childhood I was very much like hands on. So I was always picking apart my toys, disassembling them and looking at how they work, and also assembling them back so that they are back to their original form. I was also fascinated by all the machines, mainly automobiles, and how they were making power out of nowhere. That's what I thought. They're putting some fuel and then it's running. How I was always wondering. So as I grew up, I learned a lot more things, and I was clear that I was suitable for taking engineering, especially mechanical engineering.